Good morning, children. Class 6 Social Science. Children, today we are going to see the topic caste discrimination. Caste system is the most dominant reason for inequality and discrimination in India. In the beginning, the society was divided into different groups on the basis of occupation known as Varnas. Many people in India have fought against caste oppression. The most prominent among them was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He belonged to such a depressed family and suffered discrimination throughout his childhood. He fought actively for equality among the citizens of India. Next topic we are going to see gender discrimination. Gender discrimination refers to health, education, economic and political inequalities between men and women in India. For example, a girl is not allowed to go to college after finishing her schooling. Most of the girls are not allowed to select a career of their choice, rather they are forced into marriage. In some families, girls are not allowed to wear modern dresses, while boys in such families often wear modern dresses. Next topic we are going to see religious discrimination. Religious discrimination is unequal treatment of an individual or a group based on their beliefs. Religious discrimination has been around for a long time. There have been problems between people of different religions for thousands of years. Some peoples are not allowed to enter in public places, especially the places of worship, because they belong to another religion. Some religious people often end up in conflict with each other because of the rituals and way of life. Next topic we are going to see socio-economic inequality. In the socio-economic field, the benefits of growth have not been spread evenly. However, the income inequality is much higher than the inequality in human development. The low income districts are associated with low industrial development, low agricultural productivity, and low human development. Children, we are going to see the topic removal of inequality and discrimination in Indian society. First point, wider access to quality based services like health care and education for all. Second point, be aware of current gender bias. Third point, make women more visible in public life and institution to eradicate gender disparity. Fourth point, be open to learning about other religions. Fifth point, promoting community dining in the classroom may help the students to sit together without any bias of caste, religion or gender. Sixth point, socialize with people of all types outside home. Seventh point, effective implementation of laws. Thank you, children.